So Stellar XLM is showing signs that it wants to move. So we're going to take a look at what's going on with the price action today for XLM in this video. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching over there as well. And let's get into our video here. So I've been covering XLM now for a few weeks, actually probably a month, so maybe more. I don't know. Crypto flies by so darn quick. You don't realize how long time flies by. So price is breaking out as pattern points to a big XLM jump. So what could we see coming from this? Bitcoin, we know today crossed that $101,000 resistance mark. The crypto oh my goodness, the crypto fear and greed index moved back into the green zone, which is really nice to see. There's a lot of rejuvenation and a lot of new momentum coming into the crypto market today. And I think a lot of what comes from it is it's the Trump effect, right? Trump solidified his presidency today. They basically confirmed that he is going to be the next president before his inauguration on the 20th. And, there's just a lot of um, hope and momentum behind that, right? Because he's bringing in this pro crypto government. So Stellar XLM rose along with the rest of the market to about 46 cents, gaining nearly 50% from its December low. Stellar's gains were also influenced by Ripple XRP's bullish momentum. Ripple has also been running, especially because of Gary Gensler's going to be stepping down before Trump takes office. And there's just a whole lot of bullish things going on in the overall market right now. You can feel it. You can feel the excitement and the optimism that is there, right? So XLM often mirrors XRP's performance due to their shared history and similar roles in the crypto industry, where XRP is more institutional based and XLM focuses more on the smaller cross-border type payments and things like that. They do the very similar thing, but XRP is more industry focused. However, XLM also does a little bit of both. So XLM is a little bit more robust in that regard, in my opinion. However, XRP has a bigger history, right? It has a lot of partnerships and a lot of working relationships out there, right? But Stellar's price analysis and price action has definitely been something that traders have been noting, right? We've seen this thing, it was bullish, it was explosive, and it just absolutely crushed it over the last couple months. XLM since formed a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish chart formation, and the token's broken above the wedge's upper boundary, the key support and resistance pivot point. Now, it remains above the 50-day moving average and the Ikimoku cloud indicator, suggesting continued bullish momentum. So as long as the rest of the market cooperates with it as well, we're going to see this thing go. The critical resistance target for bulls is about 63 cents right there. It's about 40% upside from the current price. And, we also have that 30-cent support that is basically pretty solidified there. Let's jump over, take a look at the chart. This is the last 7 days for XLM. We can see that sideways movement, but also, it's a little bit of an incline as well. So kind of waiting to see what's happening, how it's going to play out here. But volume's definitely up, and prices up 34% in the last 7 days. So take a look at today. We did hit that beyond that 46-cent area, and retracing down a little bit down to the 44 cents. Market's kind of pumped and then having a little bit of a cool off kind of thing. And that's pretty much where we're at right now. But, I'm going to take a look at this as well. Let's go over and take a look at altcoin season. So I take a look at this usually every day, kind of see where we're at with altcoin season. And, I kind of try and figure out, is it still time to buy certain altcoins, right? Where we're not in altcoin season, it's always a good time for accumulation, in my opinion, especially when we see pullbacks in the market. So I pay very close attention to this. So this is blockchain center.net. And right now, altcoin season it's not altcoin season, it's Bitcoin season right now. We can see here that we did jump up in December, just above, into that altcoin season area very, very briefly. And we've since come back down. But, Bitcoin is starting to heat up again. So, we could potentially see something come from this. We need Bitcoin really to go on a good, really, really, really good run, and then see it pull back and then see some of this money flow back into altcoins is basically what we need to see. So if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin, over the last season, which is a 90-day period, then it would be altcoin season. So we can see Bitcoin is here in this black area, and these are all the coins that are performing better than it. So that's not 75%. That's yeah, we're only at that 50. 59 range there. So obviously, we're waiting for things to heat up, and Bitcoin is definitely doing its part. It's trying to break, it broke that 101K resistance today. So hopefully we'll stay above that and see where things head. So I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you for a tremendous 2024. Hopefully we'll see a great 2025 for XLM and many other altcoins as well. So be blessed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.